Dear students, in this section we will see problems on line graphs. First we will see what is line graph and what this section is. So this section comprises of questions in which data collected in a particular discipline are represented by a specific points joined together by straight lines. The points are plotted on a two-dimensional plane, taking one parameter on the horizontal axis and other on the vertical axis. So the candidate is required to analyze the given information and thereafter answer the given questions. Okay. So first we will see first problem. In a school, the periodical examination are held every second month in a session during April 2001 to March 2002. Okay. A student of class 9 appeared for each of the periodical exams. The aggregate marks obtained by him in each periodical exam are represented in the line graph given below. Study the graph and answer the question based on it. So here the marks obtained by student in 6 periodical exams held in every 2 months during the year in the session 2001 to 2. So maximum total marks for each periodical exam is 500. So these are the marks and this is the 6 exams. Okay. So on x axis there is a exams and on y axis there is a marks. So first question is the total number of marks obtained in Feb 2002 is what percent of total marks in April 1. Okay, so here we have to find out the percentage of marks of February 2002 to April 2001. So the required percentage, as we know, for the February 2 it is 405 and for April 01 it is 360. So 405 upon 360. 405 upon 360 into 100. So it is 112.5%. Okay. Next, second question is, what are the average marks obtained by the student in all periodical exam during the session? So what we have to do, there are 6 exams, so we have to add all these marks and divide it by 6. Okay. So the solution of this problem is 1 upon 6, 360 plus 365 plus 370 plus, these are the marks of 6 exam. We have to add that marks and divide it by 6. So the average is 381. Third question is, what is the percentage of marks obtained by student in the periodical exams of August 01 and October 01 taken together? Okay, so we have to find out the percentage marks. So we have to add both August 1 and October 1. Okay, and the total marks are 500 and 500. So August 01 marks is 370. Okay, and October 01 is 385. Okay, so 370 plus 385. See here, 370 plus 385 upon 500 plus 500. We have to add this 500 plus 500 into 100. So the addition is 755 upon 1000 into 100. So the answer is 75.5%. Fourth question, in which periodical exam there is a fall in percentage of marks as compared to the previous periodical exam? So here see, this graph is increasing, there is no fall here. So the answer for this question is none. The answer for this question is null, as there is no fall in percentage of marks as compared to the previous periodical exam. Fifth question, in which periodical exams did the student obtain the highest percentage increase in the marks over the previous periodical exam? So we have to find the percentage marks with respect to previous periodical exams. Okay, so here we have to find out the percentage with respect to we have to find out the percentage of June with respect to April 01. Then find out the percentage marks of August with respect to June, like this. So here see, for June 01 it is 365. June 365 minus 60 divided by 360 into 100 is 1.39. For August 01 marks is 370, June marks is 365. So 370 minus 365 upon 365. So we have to find out the average percentage marks with respect to previous exam. So by observing this, the maximum percentage increase in marks is in October 01, October 2001. Okay. So this is the line graph, and we have to answer the questions according to that line graph. Thank you.